Hi my dear people, welcome. In my last video I had spoken about fatigue and its various causes. Now today I'll try to tell you at least one cause in detail, and in the subsequent videos I'll try to cover whichever causes I can. Now you do a little work and you feel tired and also you feel breathless. Your stamina depletes rapidly. People tell you you're looking as white as a ghost. Now what is this all about? It is one of the common causes where you feel very tired is anemia. Now this anemia is very prevalent in India. So I am Dr. Neeta, an obstetrician and gynecologist, and welcome to yet another episode of Dr. Neeta's Medical Clinic. Today I'll be taking you through this journey of anemia, its causes, its types, its diagnosis and its treatment. At the outset, I would like to request each one of you to watch the video fully, to comment on it, to like it, and to click on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon and then all. Now with this, whichever video I upload, you will get the notification immediately, and so you will not miss out on any video. Now what is this looking white as a ghost or anemia? The anemia is basically low hemoglobin. And what is hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a protein substance which is present in your blood and which carries oxygen to all the cells of your body. Now if hemoglobin is low, then your body cells will not get enough oxygen, and therein all your problems start. Now how do we recognize that you have anemia at home? You can just check your lower conjunctiva. Here you can check whether it is red or it is pink or whatever the color is. You can check the palms, you can check the nails, and you can check your tongue. Now all these have to be dark pink or red. If they are light pink or white, that means you have anemia and you better approach a doctor. There are various types of anemia, but I will be telling you the most common. So the first is deficiency anemia, where there is a deficiency of iron, folic acid, vitamin B12 or protein. The second common is anemia due to bleeding. Now if there is bleeding from your body, from whichever area, this can lead to anemia, like bleeding piles or bleeding heavily during your periods, or even worm infestations where the worm sucks blood from your intestines will also lead to anemia. The third is due to infections like malaria and tuberculosis. The fourth will be due to cancer like leukemias. And the fifth would be hereditary like sickle cell anemia and thalassemia. Now out of all these, iron deficiency anemia is the most common. Now what will you feel if you have anemia? What are the symptoms of anemia? The first feeling which you will get is feeling tired, that is feeling fatigued at even the slightest amount of physical work. The second would be breathlessness at doing a slight amount of physical activity. The third would be edema of feet, that is swelling of the feet. Even hair loss can occur because of anemia. And sometimes you may feel palpitations. Now what are palpitations? Palpitations are heartbeats which in a normal person, that person will not feel his or her heartbeats, but in anemia sometimes you can feel your heartbeats, and those are palpitations. So if you have any of these symptoms, then please approach a doctor. Now what will the doctor do? The doctor will do a simple blood test called CBC, whose full form is complete blood count, and hemoglobin will show up in your report. Now if your hemoglobin is between 8 to 10, it is considered mild anemia. If your hemoglobin is between 7 to 8, it is considered moderate anemia. And if your hemoglobin is less than 7, it is considered severe anemia. Now the treatment of anemia depends on the cause. So if your cause is correctly treated, you can get rid of your anemia. Now the most common cause of anemia is iron deficiency anemia. So I'll be telling you a little in detail of iron deficiency anemia. Now mild anemia can be treated by iron capsules and iron rich diet. Now what does an iron rich diet mean? Now the iron rich diet you will get by eating green leafy vegetables like spinach or palak, peanuts, raisins, cashews, red meat, poultry, jaggery. Anything which is made with jaggery is rich in iron, like peanut with jaggery, chicky, which is very commonly eaten in India, is very rich in iron. Dates or khajur, beans, iron fortified cereals, and fruits like apples and pomegranate are rich in iron. Now they say an apple a day keeps the doctor awake, and that is true, because if you eat an apple a day, your iron levels will surely be good. Ideally, you are supposed to have a well balanced diet rich in iron and protein. Now moderate anemia would be, previously it used to be treated with intramuscular iron injections, but they were very painful, they had lot of side effects, so now they are given up, and nowadays we treat with intravenous iron. Now intravenous iron is simple treatment and a person feels good within a few days of treatment. Now how much to give, how much iron to give intravenously or how frequently to give will be decided by the doctor. Now if it is severe anemia, again the treatment is intravenous iron, and very rarely, sometimes blood transfusion may be required. So my dear souls, this is it for now. Signing off. Once again, reminding you to subscribe, as I love interacting with you all. If there are any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I will try and answer every and any question. And if you would like to hear about some particular topic, then please do let me know. I would love to talk to you about that topic. So my dear people, take care of yourselves. Be pink, not white. Be healthy, be safe. Overall, be happy. Okay, bye bye people.